This video gives you an overview of Ring Floodlight Cam and some basic wiring techniques. Before installing your Floodlight Cam, we suggest watching all of the install videos so you become familiar with the process. We've included a printed manual for reference as well. Note that if you live in an area where doing your own electrical work is illegal, or if you're unfamiliar with household wiring, hire a registered electrician to perform this install. Meet Ring Floodlight Cam. This is the camera. This is the speaker. And this is the motion sensor for the floodlights. These knobs let you adjust the angle of the lights. You may want to loosen the knobs and point the lights straight up to get them out of the way during installation. Loosening the lock collar at the base of the lights lets you rotate them to your desired direction. This is how Floodlight Cam comes in the box. You'll notice Floodlight Cam ships with the camera rotated upside down for protection. This is the camera lock collar. Loosen it so you can rotate the camera 180 degrees, so it's the right side up. Then tighten the camera lock collar to hold the camera in place. Inside your Floodlight Cam, there are two wires with wire connectors attached. The brown wire is the hot wire, and it connects to the hot wire from your household circuit. The blue wire is neutral and connects to the neutral wire. This is the earth post, which connects to your yellow and green earth wire. If your household wiring isn't clearly color-coded, consult with a registered electrician. This is the mounting bracket, which secures your Floodlight Cam to your wall. Your power wiring enters through this gasket. You secure the bracket using these mounting screws. This hook is for hanging your Floodlight Cam from the mounting bracket while you're connecting the wires. These small cap nuts secure your Floodlight Cam to its bracket. You'll need to install your Floodlight Cam and wire it to power before you set it up in the Ring app.